Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see, just take a look on the status bar at the very top of the camera. Right in the middle we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now the timer is off, and you can know it because this option is highlighted, but we can also choose the 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the timer and tap on the timer 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon has changed, so let me tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's tap on it and choose, for example, 2 seconds. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. Now let me turn off the timer, so tap on it and tap on this off icon. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.